So I have this wig from Tinashe hair that I'm going to be styling for this video. I'm just using a flat iron to flat iron the front of the hair. I'm not going to be doing the full thing because the hair is already kind of curly / wavy. It's in like a body wave form, but I'm going to go in and put some hair product in it so it gets like that defined look, and that should be it. What's up guys, I'm back with a new video. So I'm wearing this red 24-inch burgundy, well it's more like a burgundy unit that I got from Tinashe hair. Yeah, they sent me this and I've already gone in, but it looks fairly okay. I did baby hairs earlier as well, and I also just went ahead and I curled the front portion because the rest of it's a body wave unit. But yeah, this is the box that the wig comes in, and they sent me a few things also. The wig is a 13x4 lace, so it goes all the way back here. On the sides though, it kind of comes a little bit closer, but that's most of the wigs I've gotten and how they are. It is 200% density, and the length is 24 inches. So this is, y'all could see how long that the hair looks. It's actually fairly long. Like, this is a lot of hair. I personally feel like it's perfect for winter. I think that the hair looks really cute. Yeah, they sent me this little bag with the Tinashe logo on it. I feel like it, ooh, they also sent me a new nightcap, which I think is really cute. I'll definitely be wearing this. It's a pretty big one though, but I like it because I like navy blue a lot. But this is really good if you have your natural hair out, or you want to just sleep with your wig on and you have a lot of hair. This is perfect for that. So lashes, they sent me wig caps. What else did they send me? Oh, they sent me a little brush for my edges, an edge brush, as well as a rat tail comb. So they actually sent me some really good items in here. Oh, and also they sent hair clips so that when you push your hair back, you can use like your glue, your got to be glued stuff, things like that. So yeah, they did send me some really good products as well in here. Yeah, I honestly, all I did at the beginning of the video was I put in like a hair oil. I just curled the front. I also sprayed a little bit of leave-in conditioner in here because the hair, like at least in some parts of it, it doesn't get frizzy. Like there's like a small frizz, like there's a little bit of frizz going on, but that's in most body wave units. But it didn't take long for me to just like get rid of that. I might even want to go in and like kind of layer the hair more so it looks less wiggish in a way, but I think it looks cute. Oh, I also did a ton of plucking before I applied this unit. So I, like, the hair bunch I had was like this big as far as my plucking went. That's why it's laying down honestly fairly flat. But yeah, I wanted to make sure that I did enough of the plucking for this wig. I also just took pics on Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. Don't know what happened, I feel like my camera just turned off. Okay, so the price of this wig, I think it said it was $346.30, and I got the 200% density, 24-inch length, and 13x4 lace front wig. Yeah, this is a lot of hair you're getting. You don't have to get as much like as far as the density goes, but if you want this like mermaid look and have it be this length, then maybe you do, I don't know. But if you want to get like 100, well, there only is 200% density for the 24-inch, so you can't get any less than that. But the color for this unit is 99J, burgundy body wave, lace front wig. So yeah, and I went ahead and I made it so that I could kind of like tuck the hair kind of behind my ear, so like there's a little bit of like a sideburn going on. I could do better as far as covering up my leave out right here, but I can still mess with that at a later time and see how I want to fix that in the long run. But I feel like honestly curling my hair backwards or away from my face with the straightener was my best bet to go ahead and do that for this unit. I think it looks really cute. I really do like the waves. There is like a darker burgundy color towards the end, and then like around it, it's kind of a bit like more vibrant, which is really cool. And yeah, I really honestly like the way that this kind of just turned out. Yeah, it's really pretty. I think the pictures that I just took today honestly turned out really well. I'm gonna put that probably as my thumbnail for this video too. But you guys let me know what you think down below as far as like the color, if it suits me or not, because I really do think that this would be really cute for winter. And honestly, if I should like maybe curl this hair or curl the rest of it, I do like the body wave look, but this gives it, I guess, like more of a natural like vibe as far as everything goes. So let me know what you think about that. I think that would turn out really cute. I'm gonna probably go in and take some intro shots right now, but thank you to Tinashe Hair for sending me this wig. I hope that you guys liked the video, and yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Be sure to go ahead and check out the link to this unit down below. All right, bye.